There is a question from Prem Matwali, right? Beloved Master, how is it that certain mystical music makes it so easy for us to be in divine remembrance? What is the magic in this? Did Osho share much on creating such music? Well, music or literature or poetry are of 9 types. It is known as rasas. Rasas. Shringar ras, hasya ras, karun ras, raud ras, veer ras, bhakti ras, vatsalya ras, shant ras. There are 9 rasas. It means 9 types of situations created by music, created by literature. But the rasa which is required for meditation is shanta rasa, rasa of silence, one which can create a situation of silence. That is known as shanta rasa. The best example is shabads, sung by the ragis, to which we are all accustomed. We know that whenever a shabad is played, then how much silence we really feel, and what a divine environment is created when some shabad is played. Instead of singing a shabad, if in the same rasa some music is played, naturally it will create the same effect where you can feel deep silence, where there is no irritation. And there are so many instrumental music available as well, in addition to these shabads. If you play that music, you will go in meditation. In internet also, I have seen there are so many musics. You can just try which music is helpful. But one thing is there. This is only to create an environment for going into meditation, or going into samadhi, or going into divine remembrance. But once you want to go to meditation now, entering into meditation, entering into divine remembrance, or entering into samadhi, you have to stop this music. Especially when you are in divine remembrance, naturally you are selecting divine sound or divine light or divine elixir or divine consciousness or divine love or divine bliss for remembrance. So once you go for divine remembrance, then this music is also an obstacle. So you can play a music which supports to enter into meditation, or supports to enter into samadhi, or supports to enter into divine remembrance. But once you are entering into divine remembrance, then any type of music is obstacle. All music must be stopped. That also creates a noise. Even finest music looks like noise, creates obstacle like a noise when you are in samadhi, when you are in deep divine remembrance. But before entering into divine remembrance or samadhi or meditation, the help of music can be taken, and you should select that type of music which is really helpful in creating shant rasa or rasa of silence, which you can really select, or all seekers are qualified to select the music which can be of help in meditation or divine remembrance. Let's acknowledge.